this many people?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the big experience about this. Yeah, come on! Yeah! That's just... Come on, go do it, come on. Come on. Oh, no, come on. You get it? I did. Oh, he's hot. That's so scary. Oh. What?
Can you pick it? I'm not picking.
Freaking isn't drunk. Your own gun isn't helpful for you.
These are my ears.
After 3 minutes. Oh, I'm sitting on my
Yeah! What?
Don't break a barricade because the police is right there.
Yeah, I wasn't doing it.
I mean, like,
girls were doing it.
Hang on, hold on. I'm going to take my phone.
no, I need you. Honk you.
Woo!
Honk on this guy. I love you.
Right in front of us.
Honk! Honk!
She was cute too.
Oh yeah.
Hate all these people.
In the pool.
Honk!
Come on.
He's not doing it. He's not doing it. Honk! 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 Please! 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 Come on, get one! Yeah!
Sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
I love my life.
Love my. I mean.
Yes. We were just on it for 2 minutes until we had to get called back to the news.
Oh yeah.
We're like up more by this spot place.
Oh, I'm so lucky!
I know. She hasn't came by yet. They haven't given us tickets yet.
Really? When are they?
I got no cheese. My napkin. I got no oh my God. Remember some Uncle Rick first like $1,000.
Okay, please act normal.
Police!
Okay, there's 2 kinds of music going on.
Okay, you can run now.
I'm gonna have you turn it off. Yeah.
Well, I had you a little bit easy sometimes. No! You're not getting any home! Just rub on my home, and maybe I'll put in the time.
Yeah!
No, they're not hot cakes.
Run!
I'm not moving.
We're in downtown. What do you expect?
Honk! Oh my gosh, she was on that look. Yeah! Oh, no, that wasn't for us. Yeah!
2, 1.
Well, that's a really low car.
Or maybe that guy's really short. Honk!
Come on, you know.
Honk! Honk! Please! Please! Yeah!
No one loves you.
No one loves you.
We get the stoplight.
Yeah. We should go right to the traffic light though. When we get our ticket.
Oh, yeah! Come on, Faye!
No.
Oh, they're stealing all of it! They don't want to honk anymore! It's all their fault!
Yeah! Oh, that's still like
there.
so sorry. I don't like those girls. Jonas Brother or Jonas fan?
Everyone knows how to read the word.
No.
Okay, I give up, guys.
Honk! 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 You're looking.
I didn't no one does!
I hate the people that look.
And then they don't do it, they just kind of like stare at you.
Stare at you, yeah. Please. Please. I want them to just give up. They're stealing our business. Lots of cars. Yes! Whoa. Okay. How big is this piece of paper?
The radio?